In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and run a successful video conference using Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams is a powerful collaboration tool that allows you and your teammates to connect and communicate effectively, no matter where you are in the world. Whether you're planning a team meeting or a virtual hangout, Microsoft Teams makes the process seamless and straightforward. Let's dive in and get started. First, make sure you've signed into Microsoft Teams with your work or school account. If you're using a personal account, the same steps apply. It's crucial to ensure that you have a stable internet connection to avoid any disruptions during your meeting. Once you're signed in, open the Microsoft Teams application. You'll see a menu along the left-hand side. Click on the calendar icon. This is where you can view your scheduled meetings, and it's also where we'll set up our video conference. In the calendar view, look towards the upper right corner for the New Meeting button and give it a click. A new window will pop up. Here, you'll enter the details for your video conference. Begin by giving your meeting a catchy title that will be easy for attendees to recognize. This could be something specific like Weekly Team Sync or Project Kickoff. Below the title, enter the email addresses of your participants in the Add Required Attendees box. If there are people who might find the meeting useful but are not essential to be there, you can add them in the Optional section. It's a great way to keep everyone in the loop. Next, select the date and time for your meeting. Make sure to pick a time that's convenient for all your participants, especially if they're in different time zones. Microsoft Teams does sync with your calendar to help you avoid scheduling conflicts, but it's good practice to double-check. It's time now to fill out the meeting details. Describe the purpose of the meeting and any important points you intend to cover. Providing this context can help attendees prepare ahead of time, ensuring a more productive session. Before sending out the invitation, you can adjust meeting options for privacy and interaction. Click on Meeting Options and decide whether you want to allow attendees to access specific features like muting and unmuting or even inviting others. Once everything looks good, hit Send. Your attendees will receive an email invitation with a link that they can click to join the meeting when the time comes. When it's time for your meeting, return to the Teams calendar, click on your meeting, and click Join. This will open the meeting window. Do a quick check of your microphone and camera to ensure everything is working correctly. Microsoft Teams has some handy features like background blur or custom backgrounds that you might find useful. And there you have it. You're all set for your Microsoft Teams video conference. With these steps, you'll be able to connect with your team efficiently and effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy conferencing.